here, and today I'm over at Marks. As you'll remember from my surprise gift video, I was recently gifted this by Peter Smith. So I've just been over to Marks, as I say, because it's his birthday today, so we've done a bit of filming for him. So I'm sure you'll see that on his channel. So I thought I'd take the opportunity to do an unboxing of this SW01 Tamiya Lunchbox Mini. So we'll get the lid off and see what it's all about even. And here we go. It's coming off, mate. And there we go. First off, manual, or manual. And I'll be honest, dude, I've had a quick look at this because as you'll see, I've taken all the plastic bags out and there's quite a lot of steps for such a little thing.
Is it? Oh, I haven't said anything, mate, because you haven't said hello yet.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you don't exist, do you? Because I haven't introduced you. Well, Mark's on the camera.
Hello, guys. I'll start talking now.
So yeah, like I say, there's quite a lot of steps considering.
I think though, mate, the thing is, even though it's small, it's basically got to have all the same components, hasn't it, to make
it has, yeah.
To make it go.
2 diffs, because it's basically a mini GF01 chassis.
Oh yeah, 4-wheel drive, yeah.
The I don't know if you see if it was in the previous. No, you can't really tell from that, but the motor's in the middle, like the GF01.
Right.
But yeah, I don't know how I'm going to get on, mate, because they're so tiny, as you'll see in a second.
With your big thumb and fingers.
Yes. I'll have to get me tweezers out, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, so yeah, there
Oh
we go.
no, you know what I'm thinking now?
What's that?
Pete Wilder's going to rip this. You better get how small it is and getting your tweezers out. He's going to rip it, I'm telling you.
Oh, hey. It's all good fun, mate. It's all good fun.
It's all good fun.
So, yeah.
Nice one.
But there we go. Well, we'll crack on, I think.
Yeah, let's have a look at it because people will be getting bored of them.
Yeah, that's it. So, massive big wheels and tyres.
Actually, they're not that small, Rob.
No, they're not.
For a 124.
Yeah. I mean, they're almost like ordinary road.
Yeah, like a M chassis
Going,
kind of
yeah.
size, isn't they?
And I quite like the grey
It's a nice colour, isn't it, yeah?
chassis bits. It's not the whole chassis. I think there's black bits underneath here.
Oh, they've hidden it under a bit there, haven't they?
They have, yes. And other bits, I think that's part of the motor stuff, so it goes together like that somehow.
Right. Oh, I missed that then, it's alright.
That's alright. And yeah, there's this cardboard bit with instructions on how to cut this out as a roof support.
There's 2 of them.
For doing forward rolls. And weirdly, when I saw that, I thought it must be to protect the body.
Yeah.
But no, it goes on top of the body.
Uh-huh.
To force it to do a proper forward
Oh,
roll.
wow, okay.
So I'll have a look at that, doing that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I agree with you. I don't know why there's 2 unless...
You bend one.
Yes.
It rains on it because it's
That's
made of cardboard, isn't it?
Yeah, all the surfaces are damp. So yeah, looks like chassis bits and possibly a front bumper. I'm not sure yet.
Is that flexible plastic, Rob, or rigid?
No, this
Oh
is...
no, I've said rigid, sorry.
Oh no! Oh,
There you go, Pete, another one for you.
it's really... This is really soft and limp, this one.
You know what, I'm going to have to think of everything I say now after those last few videos he's done.
And these ones, no, oh no, these are quite hard
Oh.
and rigid.
Ooh.
Well, more than the other stuff.
Cool.
So yeah, these are the CVD joints
Oh, right.
that you have to build.
Yeah.
So the wheels go on there.
Alright.
Two of
It's
them.
quite trick really, isn't it?
It is.
Quite a trick little kit. Oh, look at those dinky decals.
Yeah.
Tiny stickers.
Teeny tiny stickers.
There's a big finger in the way. Look at that, there. Look how small they are. I'll say it again, look how small they are. Oh no.
Oh no. Tiny pre-painted body.
And you've got the arches cut on there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thankfully, because that would be a nightmare.
Yeah,
I think.
because it's a tight radius, isn't it?
Yeah. However, you do have to cut all of this out
Okay.
around the back here.
Oh, score and snap.
Yes, it does actually in the instructions.
Right.
It tells you to use a knife and do a score and snap on those
right.
bits.
Cool. Well, that's nice, though, isn't it?
But yeah,
Should look cool.
yeah. And then the obligatory rubber.
You know what you're going to do now, don't you?
Oh yes.
Come on. Sniff those tyres, dude. Sniff those tyres. Ooh, lovely.
And they're quite soft.
Oh, I think you've gone light-headed there, mate.
Oh dear. Yep. So and they look. I suppose it's the side walls, but I think they're a taller profile than your standard 1/10 road
Yeah,
wheels
they do,
and
quite
tyres.
big, yeah.
Like your
But it's just
not even your M chassis.
try that up against the body, look. Yeah, so they are a fair size, aren't they,
They are
compared
big,
to
aren't
the
they,
body?
compared
Goodness
to the
me.
body? Yeah.
That'll be fun looking.
Yeah.
Cool.
So that's that.
Then you've got your parts bags.
We've got parts bags. We have parts bag A and quite teeny tiny screws and nuts and ball joints.
Yeah, that's good.
Parts bag B, ooh, again, really small. I think they must be 2.5, I don't even think they're 3, most of them. And then some magnets.
Oh, what? Oh, the body's magnet mounted, isn't it?
Well,
Yeah, it is.
yes
I'm sure
and
it is.
no,
What?
because there's R-clips.
Oh. I'm
There's-
sure I read it was,
You have to cut that bit out there,
yeah.
that's already cut out. And then some sort of plastic goes on there with the magnets inside them,
Right.
but then there's an R-clip.
Well, that's kind of defeats the object.
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Or maybe you can leave
Exactly,
the
but-
clip off.
We'll see when I build it.
Yep.
And
Is
then
this the last bag?
that's the last parts bag. Again, all nice and tiny little things. And I would say it's potentially got turnbuckles, but they're not really,
Right.
because you have to. It's a really long grub screw, and you have to do it in all the way, and then tighten the other side
Right.
all the way up to the other plastic bit. But we'll see when we build it.
We will.
Full size servo saver, because
Right.
you can fit a full size servo in it.
Yeah.
You don't even need a short one or thin one or
Narrow one or
narrow
yeah.
one or whatever they're called. And then here are the differential gears,
Right.
as you can see,
Wicked.
really tiny, and you get 2 of them. Oops.
Yep. 2 diffs.
And the super whopping great big
Ah, the size of
motor.
that. Wow.
I mean, it's not even 370, it's 380,
I
is
don't
it?
know what that is, Rob.
I think it says in the book it's a 370, but it looks really small
Looks
to me.
smaller than that, doesn't it?
Yeah, but I'll see when I get to installing it.
Yep.
And I believe the pinion gear is a press fit,
Okay.
so that might be fun.
Yeah, put a bit of glue on that, Rob. Bit of
Yeah.
super glue or something, I think I would.
And then Pete supplied me with a full set of
Oh.
bearings.
He's a proper RC guy, isn't he, that Pete?
He is.
He knows what you need.
Look at them.
Wow.
630.
Super duper little bearings here.
Yeah,
Beautiful. It should run like an well-oiled machine, mate, when you've
it
done
should do. And then
Ooh,
Pete, wibbly wobbly.
it's a long one as well.
Yeah, full size
Go on,
one.
give him
for
some
half
more.
an hour.
Give him some more sound bites, Rob.
Wibbly wobbly for you there, Pete. Woo! And that's about it, sir. So, with that, I hope you
Hard
enjoyed
work.
that. And I really look forward to seeing you for the build. At least I don't have to spray the body.
Yay!
Thanks for watching. Bye.
See ya.